We are here tonight at the St. Catharines Museum to follow up on a story that we had earlier on the channel about the Global Famine Way. We're going to hear some music and we're going to find out the history behind it. It's been quite a journey. It was a journey years ago, and it was a journey to get this project underway. Tell us about tonight and what we're celebrating.
Yeah, thanks, Bob. We were here to celebrate the unveiling of the Niagara installation of the Global Famine Way, which is a set of bronze shoes that continues a trail that starts at Strokestown House in Ireland and makes its way all the way across Ireland, commemorating the journey of 1,490 people off the Strokestown estate in 1847 and all the way to Canada. And so basically these people were forced off their land by the landlord at the time, who would rather pay for them to leave and get sent to North America than to take care of them during the famine in Ireland. So today we're here to celebrate marking Niagara's connection with Ireland with a permanent installation. It also commemorates all the people, not just specifically that group, but any of the people that did leave Ireland during the famine, and eventually this trail will stretch into other countries. Canada is the first outside of Ireland, but there's already plans for other countries to be connected into the trail, including the US. I've heard speak of Australia and other areas, and because the Irish from the famine, they ended up in every corner of the globe. So it's marking that connection that Niagara area, St. Catharines, the Welland Canal has with Ireland, that maybe some people that grew up here may not realise is quite as strong as it is. So it's nice to have a permanent marker for it. A lot of people came before the famine and after and worked on the early Welland Canals, worked on the later works that were all around this area. It's a beautiful setting here, and the people at the St. Catharines Museum, I couldn't say enough good things about Adrian and Kathleen and the team, because as soon as I mentioned the project, they were on board straight away to help out, and we're delighted to do all the paperwork and the background work with the committee, the culture committee of St. Catharines, and the mayor came today and the councillor. So it's really great to see such welcome for such a project that commemorates some of the history of the area.
Patrick approached us to host a set of shoes for the Global Irish Famine Way, since the story of St. Catharines is so connected to the story of Irish immigrants who came here, a lot of them during the famine in Ireland in the mid-1840s and 50s, but also Irish who came at other times as well. And because of the connection being so strong, we felt it was a really important project to be part of. Yeah, during the building of the Second Welland Canal, the population of St. Catharines was about 3,500 people who lived here permanently, and 5,000 Irish came looking for work for that project. So they actually outnumbered the regular population who was already here. So it was a significant number for sure.
So it's a smaller, in the grand scheme of things, monument physically here right now, but the whole project is a massive undertaking, and I was just happy to be just a small part of it. So it's great to see it now finally in place, and I think it'll be a special kind of a feeling to come by here and over the next number of years and see it there and know that I helped get it there.
Who wants to dance? We've got a party here. We learned about the Global Famine Way, which is right behind me with the shoes. Come to the St. Catharines Museum and find out more about Niagara's history with Ireland. Reporting for The Source, I'm Bob in the Irish Spirit Romeo.